it's me Binod.
Hi, it's me Sharada.
Actually, one of my closest friend, Mr. Sapat, he was working for Vision Smart Homes. Yeah, he just rang me because we were looking for the house and searching for the house. He knows that's the reason he called me. So yeah, from my friends.
Actually, yes, we did have lots of confusion, as he already said that we were looking for the property. Actually, we were not deciding what to do, either to buy a house itself or just to buy the land and build the house. And then Mr. Sapath, he took us to the Sandy, and then he just explained us everything what gonna be good to us. And then we just followed him, and then actually he was able to create a bond with us so that we could trust him, and then we just ended up building a house.
Yeah, so hats up to Sandy. The process was some confusion in the process as well, but we overcome it very in a simple manner. So yeah, hats up to Sandy and the team as well. In the construction process, it was a very hard time for us because it was a COVID period. There was lots of difficulties with the things and all these happening, materials and all these tradies. But the Vision Homes team did a really good job. They finished our house within the time frame. It was very good at that time. So yeah, we are very happy with the process of it. Yeah.
Oh yes, we did have something once we just moved into the house. Then we started noticing lots of things, but Sandy already told us that once you moved in there, you will be seeing lots of things, and then you can just let us know, and then we will try to fix it up. As he said, we just went back to him. I even messaged him sometime, and then he sent the tradies and then other people, whoever can fix the thing. So yes, once we found something, we informed him, and then he was very flexible to come in and then just fix them up.
Yeah, that was a very quick response from the team. Yeah, that's a good work from the team as well. As we are a new builder in the market, I'd like to give as per my experience, I'll give 9 by 10.
Oh yes, we have already started doing that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we have started lots of our we started to recommend them, and then so even some of our friends, they came to see them as well, and then I think they are just going through it.